drop it to you. Okay. Email it to me.
Can't.
Okay, 3. Don't touch me. 3, 2, 1. We now observe the lion in its natural habitat. This is a very rare find. It appears that this lion appears to be resting. Yes, it is. Resting. Now, we should
Soccer is amazing. It's just
aggravate the lion.
You do?
Are you filming
This
this?
that we may be aggravating the lion in its natural habitat.
Are you filming this?
These can be extremely fierce when provoked. So we need to keep our distance. Oh, it appears that he's calmed down and he's getting his
Get away from me. Get away from me. I am not an animal. I'm a human being, and let me rest.
You guys are you guys are creepers.
Let's see if we can wake him to get a reaction.
Stop touching me.
Oh, it looks like he's being provoked.
You guys are creepers. Creepers. You guys are creepers.
Let's wake him up. You're a see, you see how fierce they can be when provoked?
Let's get a close-up look.
Yes, let's go in for the shot. It appears that he's...
Don't touch me.
There he is.
I didn't realize
Get the good
you guys were
shot. Get the
filming
good shot. Get the good shot.